The blank canvas is officially dead. In 2026, if you aren't using Figma Make to generate your initial UI, you're working twice as hard for half the results. Today, I'm going to show you how to build a full-scale app from scratch. Let us see how to design smarter with Figma Make. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, Unlimited Design Studio. This is one of the recent applications I built using Figma AI. On the surface, it functions like any standard app, but the real breakthrough is in how it was made. I bypassed the manual design process entirely, leveraging precise prompts to generate the complete interface from scratch. So, let's dive right into today's session. First thing first, we must know how to compose the perfect prompt. Alright guys, we are now inside the Figma AI application. You'll see the prompt box. If we write a basic prompt like this one, make me a food app, we will end up getting a boring and generic design. Can you see this? The search bar is not visible. There are several other limitations in this design. Therefore, we must stop such practice and instead use the token framework. The token framework is designed to structure the prompts to help designers give the AI enough context to generate high-fidelity designs instead of generic wireframes. At the end of this session, you will definitely feel that the token framework is your best design partner. The term token is an acronym where T stands for task, O for output, K for key elements, E stands for expected behaviors, and finally, N for necessary constraints. Let us see this slide. The task here defines the specific goal of the design or the purpose of the design. You have to clearly and explain precisely what do you want to design. The output specifies the format and level of detail. Like you can say that you want an interactive iOS app as an output. Key elements helps to list down all the essential components that must be included, like navigation bars, menu items, buttons, or branding. I mean all the smaller components in your design, in detail. Expected behavior helps us to add informations related to the flow, logic, interactions, or any transitions between screens. Consider this statement as example. Search bar should filter produce items as users type. Necessary constraints are crucial too, as they help in highlighting the potential boundaries or some sort of rules for the AI app to follow while designing the app. Few possible examples under this section are: I want an iOS mobile app only with 8 pixel grid. Alright guys, now we have seen and understood the token framework. So, our next action item will be to open the Figma Make application and enter our detailed prompt that we created using the token framework. We will paste it in the prompt window and run the command. We need to wait for some time to see the response. Let me switch to preview mode for better interaction. We got a good prototype as a result. We can see that the sort, search, favorite, and cart functionality are already added. Now, this brings us to the second step. We now need to refine the prototype as per our requirement by adding more logic to the prompts. This will enhance the application prototype to another level. Remember, we have learned the task parameter in the prompt framework. We now need to add this parameter to refine the design prototype. Moving forward, we will now try to restructure the prototype by removing low utility features and also adding more complex business functionalities into the prototype. Let us now remove the side scroll bar and add a business icon beside the header text. We need to properly explain our task in the prompt. We can see now that Figma Make has done an amazing task for us. It has added the logo and removed the side scroll bar. Again, let us add a prompt in Figma Make to add a favorite screen where all the favorite products selected by the users will be displayed. We have added the prompt. We now have a favorite section at the bottom. This looks good. We will now add a payment method screen in our prototype. This will give more realistic touch to the app. We need to explain our prompt well and add logic if required. Let us wait for the result. We can now add products into the cart. Also, we can edit the delivery address, and once we click on the Place Order CTA, we now have multiple payment options to choose from. We can add multiple prompts just to refine the app prototype in Figma Make so that it fits to our requirement. Guys, I have created this app in almost no time. I would encourage everyone to try this amazing AI prototyping tool that lets you create an entire application with prompts. Hope you love the video. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more such design-related contents. See you guys until next time. Meanwhile, keep learning and keep motivating yourself. Bye-bye.